Today, I'm reviewing Socivo, the social media marketing agency Elementor Template Kit. Socivo is designed specifically for social media agencies, digital marketers, and creative studios looking to create a vibrant, conversion-focused website with ease. Built on WordPress and compatible with the free version of Elementor, Socivo allows you to build a stunning online presence without any coding. You can simply drag, drop, and customize each section to suit your brand. Socivo is ideal for agencies specializing in social media strategy, content creation, influencer marketing, digital advertising, and brand management. The kit provides everything needed to showcase your services and boost your online visibility. Its clean, engaging design helps you highlight important elements such as your team, portfolio, case studies, pricing plans, and client testimonials. Each section is crafted to attract leads and increase credibility, helping you convert visitors into clients. The template kit comes with responsive layouts and smooth animations. Its energetic visual style ensures your website looks professional and dynamic on any device, including desktop and mobile. This is perfect for marketers who want to communicate creativity and expertise to their audience. Socivo is suitable for a range of businesses, including social media and digital marketing agencies, content creation and influencer marketing studios, as well as branding and advertising service providers. Let's look at the features. Socivo is compatible with free plugins, meaning Elementor Pro is not required. The design is professional and clean, based on a modern design system. You get 17 ready-to-use templates, making setup fast and easy. The layouts are fully responsive and customizable, so you can adjust every aspect of your site without any technical knowledge. Socivo also offers cross-browser compatibility, working smoothly on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. With global styles, you can customize fonts and colors in one place, ensuring consistency across your entire website. The templates included are comprehensive, covering everything an agency might need. You get a home page, About Us, Service List, Service Detail, Our Team, Projects Pricing, Career, FAQ, Blog List, Single Post, Error 404, Contact Us, Header, Footer, Subscribe form using Metform, and Contact form also using Metform. To set up your website, Socivo comes with all required plugins included. These are Elementor, Elements Kit Lite, Metform, Jeg Elementor Kit, and Gum Element add-on. It is important to note that Socivo is a template kit for Elementor, not a standalone WordPress theme. You install it using the Envato Template Kit Import plugin, or directly through Elementor. 4 step-by-step instructions on uploading and installing Elementor template kits from ThemeForest to WordPress. A detailed guide is provided at the Envato Market Help Center online. If you need further support, you can always go to the Elementor section and select Get Help from the WordPress menu. Setting up the header in the Jeg Elementor Kit plugin is straightforward. If you use Elementor Pro, you can set up headers and footers in the theme builder. For pages you create with Elementor, set the page layout to Elementor full width for the global header and footer to appear. In the Jeg Elementor Kit menu, add a new header, set its condition to all site, and create it. Then, edit the header in Elementor, insert the header template from My Templates, customize, and save. Importing custom Metform forms is also simple. When editing the page where your form should appear, use the Elementor Navigator to locate the Metform widget. Click Edit Form, start a new form, and use Add Template to access My Templates, then choose and insert your imported Metform template. When the template is loaded, simply click Update. Socivo uses demo images from Envato Elements. If you want to use these images on your live website, you will need to license them through Envato Elements, or you can substitute them with your own images. In summary, Socivo offers an easy, modern solution for social media agencies and digital marketers to launch a professional, fully responsive website without the need for any coding or paid plugins. With 17 ready-to-use templates, robust customization options, and dependable compatibility with essential plugins, Socivo makes it simple to put your agency's best foot forward online.